Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix app appearance on Snapchat. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Play Store or the App Store on your device and search for Snapchat. Tap the results shown. If your app is not up to date, an update button will be shown. So tap Update. The latest version of Snapchat will be downloaded. So check if the problem is fixed. If the app appearance is still not showing, go to your device settings and tap Display. Here, toggle on Eye Comfort Shield and tap on it. Next, tap Custom to adjust the shield and drag the indicator to suit your preference. It is not dark mode, but your eyes will be protected. And that's how you fix app appearance on Snapchat. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.